To show playback device, to modify settings in Windows 10 Home, open settings, click or tap search menu icon, and then click or tap settings icon or settings, and then select easy of access, tap or click audio, and then select change other sound settings, and then sound window will be shown, and then tap or click playback. Select a playback device below to modify its settings, and then you can select device to setting, or tap device and then select properties to show properties, or right click to show other menu. Example, is disabled. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.